Good evening, everyone. Namaskarams to you all. I would like to introduce the artist today. This is Utsava Sampradaya Ensemble. I would like to start with the Mridangam players. Mayuk Nimagada. He is a disciple of Shri Jagadishwaran Jayaprakash and Shri Patri Satish Kumar sir. And on the other side, we have Mukund Akala. He is a disciple of D.K. Murthy sir and Jagadishwaran sir again. And we are all disciples of Shri Ganesh Rajgopal sir, and this ensemble is set by him. So I would like to start with Neeti Bellur on the first vocals, Akshara Gundimeda, Bhargavi Duvuri, myself, Subhadra Achala, Amok Nimagada, Amritavarshini Achala on the violin, and Samarth Appalabatula, Manas Senthil, Anagha Raiprolu. So, and thank you Alvi Temple and Dikshit ji for agreeing to give this beautiful discourse for these songs. Hope you all enjoy this evening. Thank you so much.
Those who are standing, please be seated. I am not singing. So for last 1 month we have been celebrating Ramanavami, Ramayana Parayanam. In this 1 month, every weekend we have concerts on Rama, exclusively Rama Ganam. And if you see the banner also, this is exclusively, it was made for this occasion, Rama Gana Sabha. So in the Rama Gana Sabha, every weekend, every Saturday and Sunday we have concerts on Rama, and by different Vagyakaras. But today it is exclusive program on Rama by Tyagaraja Swami. Tyagaraja Swami, he wrote all kritis on Rama, and he named his kritis Rama, Tyagaraja Ramayana. And there are two sets of kritis very popular. One is Utsava Sampradaya kritis and one is Divya Nama Sankirtanam. Utsava Sampradaya kriti, the name itself says Utsavam. Utsavam means some Utsavam for the Rama. What Utsavam it can be? From morning to night, everything is Utsavam. Morning to night, from Suprabhatam to Shayanam. Tyagaraja Swami wrote kritis from Suprabhatam, from Melu Kulupu until Shayanam, Uyyala. These are called Utsava Sampradaya kritis. And Rama Nama Vaibhavam, he wrote few kritis. They are all philosophical and Rama Nama Vaibhavam. They are called Divya Nama Sankirtanams. And few years ago, 2 or 3 years ago, Ganesh Rajgopal ji trained them with the Utsava Sampradaya kritis, and we had a program here, a musical discourse. And today we are doing again the Utsava Sampradaya kritis, and there are one or two Divya Namas. One Divya Nama, Okata. Divya Nama kuda undi andulo. So Utsava Sampradaya kriti and Divya Nama Sankirtanam also. So please enjoy. And meanwhile, after every song, I will disturb them.
మేలుకో దశరథి మేలుకో దయానిధి మిత్రోదయము వేళ మేలుకో దయానిధి మేలుకో దశరథి వెన్నపాలు బంగారు గిన్నెలనేయుచి తిన్నగారగిల్చిదేట కన్నులతో నన్ను బ్రోవ వెన్నపాలు బంగారు గిన్నెలనేయుచి తిన్నగారగిల్చిదేట కన్నులతో నన్ను బ్రోవ మేలుకో దయానిధి మేలుకో దశరథి నారదాదులు సురలు వారిజ భవలిందు కళాధరుడుని సన్నిధిని కోరి మొలుగుగచినారు. నారదాదులు సురలు వారిజ భవలిందు కళాధరుడుని సన్నిధిని కోరి మొలుగుగచినారు. మేలుకో దయానిధి మేలుకో దశరథి మేలుకో దయానిధి మిత్రోదయము వేళ మేలుకో దయానిధి మేలుకో దశరథి రాజరాజాది దిగ్రాజులెల్ల గాచినారు. రాజనీతి తెలియలాగ రాజ వినూత కన్ను బ్రోవ రాజరాజాది దిగ్రాజులెల్ల గాచినారు. రాజనీతి తెలియలాగ రాజ వినూత కన్ను బ్రోవ మేలుకో దయానిధి మేలుకో దశరథి మేలుకో దయానిధి మిత్రోదయము వేళ మేలుకో దయానిధి మేలుకో దశరథి
So in the Utsava Sampradaya Kritis, so early in the morning, Tyagaraja Swami is waking up Rama and he becomes Kausalya here. ಮೇಲುಕೋ ದಯಾನಿಧಿ ದಾಶರಥಿ ರಾಮ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅಪ್. ಮೇಲುಕೋ ಮಿತ್ರೋದಯಮು ವೇಳ. ಮಿತ್ರ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸನ್ ಈಸ್ ರೈಸಿಂಗ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ವೇಕ್ ಅಪ್. ఐ కెప్ట్ వెన్న పాలు బంగారు గిన్నెలో ఉంచినాను. ఐ కెప్ట్ వెరీ డెలిషియస్ మిల్క్ అండ్ ఐ యాడెడ్ బటర్ ఇన్ ద మిల్క్. వెన్న పాలు. ఐ కెప్ట్ ఇట్ రెడీ ఫర్ యూ. ప్లీజ్ గెట్ అప్ అండ్ డ్రింక్ మిల్క్. తిన్నగారవించి తేట కన్నులతో నన్ను చూడు. వైప్ యువర్ ఐస్. దే ఆర్ వెయిటింగ్ దేర్ అవుట్ సైడ్. వారిజభవుడు, నారదాది మునులు, ఆల్ ది సేజెస్ లైక్ నారద, సురలు, ఆల్ దేవతాస్, వారిజభవుడు, బ్రహ్మదేవ, ఇందుకళాధరుడు, చంద్రశేఖర, లార్డ్ శివ, దే ఆర్ ఆల్ వెయిటింగ్ దేర్ ఫర్ యూ. ఇట్స్ నాట్ గుడ్ టు మేక్ దెమ్ వెయిట్ ఫర్ ఎ లాంగ్ టైమ్. సో ప్లీజ్ గెట్ అప్. దే ఆర్ ఆల్ వెయిటింగ్ టు సీ యూ. అండ్ ఆల్సో all the kings came from all directions, different. All the kings, our neighboring kings, they all arrived and they are waiting for you. For what? They want to learn politics and public administration from you. Raja Digrajulella, kings from all directions, they all came here and they are waiting for you. Rajaniti Tiliya, they want to learn from you how to rule, because he is the best king. So they are all waiting there to learn ruling from you, politics and public administration. Rama, please get up. Please take brush and then drink milk. And they are waiting there in the main hall. Please let us go there to meet them. And Tyagaraja Swami woke him up. And then next what happens we will see. And now Rama is coming out. And they are all welcoming him with Jayakaras.
जयतु जयतु सकल निगमागम कुशल किन्नर किं पुरुष सिद्ध विद्याधर गीयमान बहुजगदुदय रक्षणलय हेतुभूत चतुरानन हरिहर प्रभृति चिन्त्यमान मणिद्वीपे जित साधुरितापे सकल सुरमुनि निकर भक्त जन निचय हृदय कामित संतान सौभाग्य धन कनक वाहनाध्यष्टैश्वर्यदायक चिन्तामणिमय महावैकुण्ठ नगरे नेत्रानन्दकरे चण्डमार्ताण्डमण्डल विलसित सप्तहेम प्राकार शोभायमान भानुकोटि समान वज्रस्तंभाद्युत सहित सुवर्ण मंडपांतरे शुभकरे नवरत्न खचित कनकमय हंसतूलिका तल्पे शरश्चन्द्रकोटि निभशेषतल्पे सुरनायकाध्यष्टविश्वालक मकुटमणिधर नीराजित पादारविन्द जगदानन्द अनन्त गरुड विश्वक्षेरादि सूरी जनसमेत महाप्रभाव सम्पन्नः अखिल भक्त जन प्रसन्नः उभय पार्श्वोज्ज्वलित कर्णकुण्डल निधित चन्द्रमण्डल सेवित मुनिमण्डल भक्त प्राणपरायण श्रीमन्नारायण लक्ष्मी रमणो भगवान्
So this Jayatu Jayatu is from Prahlada Bhakta Vijayam. Tyagaraja Swami is welcoming Rama with the Jayakara. It is like Churnika. Jayatu Jayatu Sakala Nigama Agama Kushala Kinnara Kimpurusha Siddha Vidyadhara Giyamana Bahu Jagadudaya Lakshana Laya Hetu Bhuta Chaturanana Harihara Prabhuti Chintyamana Manidvipe. So Saketa is described as Manidvipam here. Like in Sri Vidya Sampradayam we have, Manidvipa Varnana. Saketam is described as Manidvipa. In that Manidvipa, Jita Sadhu Hruttape, if you enter into the Saketam, all your pains will go. Sakala Suramuni Nikara Nija Bhakta Jana Nichaya Hrudaya Kamita Santana Saubhagya Dhana Kanaka Vahanadi Ashtaishwaryadayaka Chintamani Mayamaha Vaikuntha Nagare. And in this Vaikuntha Nagara, once those who enter into the Vaikuntha, the Saketa Nagaram, all their wishes will be fulfilled. Everything. Netranandakare. And the Vaikuntha itself is a very eye-feasting. Chandamarta Andamandala Vilasita Sapta Hema Prakarantara Shobhayamana. And there are 7 prakaras. Bhanukoti Samana Vajrastambha Yuta Sahita Suvarna Mandapantare. And in the middle of the Vaikuntha, there is a beautiful golden mandapa surrounded by 7 prakaras, 7 compound walls. And in that golden mandapa, Shubhatare Navaratna Khajita Kanakamaya Hamsatulika Talpe, there is a beautiful Hamsatulika Talpam, a beautiful bed in the mandapa. Sharachandra Kodinibha Sesha Talpe, and there is a Sesha Talpam, Adisesha. And that Adisesha is very white, like Sharat Chandra Koti, 1 crore moons. You can imagine that brightness. And that Adisesha is glowing like that, equal to 1 crore moons. Surana Yakadhyashta Dikpala Makuta Manigana Neerajita Padaravindaha. And Lord Sri Rama's, his divine feet is also glowing because Suranayakadi Ashtadikpalaka Makuta Manigana Neerajita Padaravindaha. All Dikpalakas, all Devatas, they are bowing in front of Rama, and the light reflecting from their kiritas, that light looks like Neerajanam, Arati to Rama's divine feet. Mahaprabhava Sampannaha Akhila Bhakta Jana Prasannaha Ubhayaparsva Ujjvalita Karnakundala Nindita Chandramandala. And Rama has beautiful Karnakundalas. And the Kanti, the light coming from the Karnakundalas, moon looks like a small deepam. Moon is not even seen in that light. Sevita Munimandala Bhaktatrana Parayana Srimannarayana Lakshmi Ramana Bhagavan Napali Sri Rama. Rama, please come. And this is the time to protect me. I have been waiting for you. And this is my puja phalitam. Because of my karma phalitam, and this karma I did in several births, not now. Please come. Get ready. Please take bath. Nalina lochana neeku nalugu pettera. Nalugu, I don't know in other language what to say, and in English that concept is not there. In Haldi is not Nalugu. You can see in Ganesha Chaturthi story, Parvati Devi created Ganesha. She was taking head bath, and to clean her body, she prepared some flour, and with that flour she made a small toy like that. So that flour, Nalina Lochana neeku nalugu pettera, I will put that flour to your body and clean your body. కోటి మన్మధులైన సాటిగా నీ సొగసు నాటియున్నది స్వామి. ఈవెన్ 1 crore మన్మథాస్ కెనాట్ స్టాండ్ ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ యూ. యువర్ బ్యూటీ దే కెనాట్ స్టాండ్ ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ యూ బికాస్ హీ ఈస్ ది ఫాదర్ ఆఫ్ మన్మథ. తొలి పూజ ఫలమేమో కలిగే నీ పదసేవ, అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ మై బహుజన్మ కర్మ ఫలితం, పూజా ఫలితం. టుడే ఐఎమ్ ఏబుల్ టు వర్షిప్ యూ. పతిత పావన, ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ ప్రొటెక్ట్, హూ కెన్ ప్రొటెక్ట్ మీ? దెర్ ఇస్ ఎ బ్యూటిఫుల్ శ్లోక ఇన్ కృష్ణకర్ణామృతం అండ్ ఆల్సో వేదాంత దేశికాస్ దేహళీశ స్తుతి ఆల్సో దెర్ ఇస్ ఎ శ్లోక. త్వయి ప్రసన్నే స్వామి, ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ హ్యాపీ దెన్ ఐ డోంట్ నీడ్ ఎనీ అదర్ ప్రొటెక్టర్. త్వయి అప్రసన్నే, ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ నాట్ హ్యాపీ విత్ మీ, nobody can protect me. If you are happy, I don't need anybody because you are happy. If you are not happy, then nobody can protect me. So I don't need to go to anybody. పతిత పావన, నీవు పాలింపుకుంటేను గతి మాకెవరు? Who can protect me? So you are the sole protector for all of us. హే రమణ, నాలోనే మరులు కొన్నాను. And my heart, I have lost my heart. Other than you, there is nothing in my heart. My heart is filled by you, with you. వర త్యాగరాజునికి వరద ముక్కేరా స్వామి, ప్లీజ్ కమ్, ఐ వాంట్ టు సర్వ్ యూ. అమ్మా శోభాని.
రామ 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 రామ
In Dravida Prabandham, Alvar sings Palland, Palland, Pallayirathand, Palakodi, Noorayiram Palland. Swami, be happy, live long. Thousands of years and protect us. Shobhane means, Swami, live long. You should live long time. For what? To protect us. Vadanadyuti Jita Soma. And your face, normally, if anybody has a beautiful face, we say moon-like face. But here, moon also cannot stand. Moon looks very pale. Vadanadyuti Jita Soma, Vasudha Manasa Kama. And you are the one who gives anything in this world, or everything in this world. Mada Manava Gana Bhima, and you are the one who suppresses all the bad qualities or removes all bad qualities. Janakasuta Hrudramana, and you are the very dearest to Janakasuta, Janaki Devi, Jamadagnija Madaharana, and you are the one who removed the Ahankara of Parashurama. Pranatagha Anala Varuna, Pranatagha Anala Varuna. And you are like Varuna Deva, water. What does water do? If you put water on fire, then fire will extinguish. So, all our papas are like fire, and you are Varuna, you are water to remove all the papas. Pahimam Munisharana Varatyagarajanuta Varija Sambhava Tata. Varija is a lotus. Varija Sambhava, lotus born, Brahmadeva. Tata, you are the father of Brahmadeva, Parama Kalyanayuta. And I am taking refuge at your divine feet, because every auspicious thing in this world will be bestowed only by you. Paramam yo mahattejah, paramam yo mahattapah, paramam yo mahadbrahma, paramam yah parayanam, Vishnu Sahasranama says. So everything, anything that is auspicious in the world, that is auspicious because of your contact with you. Bhagavat Sambandham. Parama Kalyanayuta Mam Pahi. Swami, please protect me. It's a beautiful Kirtana. ಅಮ್ಮ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
ದಶರಥ ನಂದನ.
दशरथनन्दन दानवमर्दन दयय मां पाहि. दशरथनन्दन दानवमर्दन दयय मां पाहि. हरे दशरथनन्दन दानवमर्दन दयय मां पाहि. हरे दशरथनन्दन दानवमर्दन दयय मां पाहि. हरे दशरथनन्दन दानवमर्दन दयय मां पाहि.
So in this Kirtana, Tyagaraja Swami points out all our bad habits. And there is a big list. And they did not cover all the big list. Because if they cover all the entire list, then we will feel bad. So, Tyagaraja Swami says, Dasharathanandana, Danava Mardana Swami, you killed Ravanasura, Kumbhakarna, Indrajit. All those Rakshasas you killed. But why don't you kill the Rakshasas in me? Dayaya Mam Pahi. Why don't you show your compassion on me? Chalunu Mayajalamu. Swami, enough of your deceptive tricks. Don't put Maya Jalam. Jalam means net. So I am stuck in the net of your Maya, your deceptive tricks. I cannot stand, no longer I can stand. Swami, please, kill all the Shatrus in me, all the Rakshasas in me also. You killed all the Rakshasas outside, but there are Rakshasas in me. Why don't you kill them? Kill them too. Manasuna Narimunulanu Kori. And my mind is always hungering woman. Hungering woman. It's roaming around woman. And the result is I have become unfit and I become incompetent to join your devotees. They don't let me join in the group because my mind is always around woman. Manasuna Nari Mandulanu Kori Janulato Cheri Chappani Dari. I am not able to join in your path. Swami, please kill all the enemies in me, all the Rakshasas in me. Sagara Shayana, He Kshira Sagara Shayana, Sarasa Nayana. And here he says Sarasa Nayana. In the beginning of the song he said, Danava Mardana, why don't you kill all the Rakshasas in me? And he says Sarasa Nayana. And Paramatma's eyes are very compassionate. Dayardra Hridayam. And by looking into his eyes, you can see his compassion, his generosity. Tyagarajavana Taraka Suguna. Swami, please protect me. Kill all the Shatrus, all the Rakshasas within myself. And make me eligible to join your devotees. Ma. That is why I said Kshetrasagar Saina.
अपरिमित घोर पातक विधारा क्रूर जन गण विदुर निगम संचार सुंदर शरीरा शतमगाहित विभंगा श्री श्रितमानवान्तरङ्गा जनकज शृङ्गार जलज भृङ्गा क्षयमकायित विभङ्गा श्रीराम शमन रिपुसन्नुतागा श्रितमानवान्तरङ्गा जनकज शृङ्गार जलज भृङ्गा क्षीरसागर विहारा राजाधिराजवेशा श्रीराम रमणीय कर सुभूषा राजनुत ललित भाषा श्री त्यागराजादि भक्त पोषा राजाधिराजवेशा श्रीराम रमणीय कर सुभूषा राजनुत ललित भाषा श्री त्यागराजादि भक्त पोषा क्षीरसागर विहारा अपरिमित घोर पादक विदारा क्रूर जनगण विदुरा निगम संचार सुन्दर शरीरा क्षीरसागर विहारा
Actually, this is a regular daily song for our Lord Venkateshwara. Normally, for Venkateshwara in Tirupati, they sing Jo Achyutananda Annamachari Kirtana, but our Venkateshwara, Mangalam and Shairam both Tyagaraja Kritis only every day. Ksherasagar Vihara is our Jolapata for Venkateshwara every day. And this is one of the very few rare Kritis in this Raga, Ananda Bhairavi. And there is a story. Tyagaraja Swami wrote very few Kritis in Ananda Bhairavi, Rama Rama Nivaramu, Nike Teliyakapoye, and Ksherasagar Vihara. And the story is Kuchipudi Bhagavatas. In Kuchipudi Sampradayam, Kuchipudi Bhagavatas, a lot of songs they sing in Ananda Bhairavi. Ananda Bhairavi is a very popular ragam in Kuchipudi. So once Tyagaraja Swami praised the Kuchipudi Bhagavatas, and Kuchipudi Bhagavatas asked, Swami, can you please stop writing Kritis in Ananda Bhairavi so that when people think of why Tyagaraja Swami did not write many Kritis in Ananda Bhairavi, at least they will remember, oh, Tyagaraja Swami gave this ragam to Kuchipudi Bhagavatars. So then onwards they say Tyagaraja Swami did not write Kritis in Ananda Bhairavi because in respect of Kuchipudi Bhagavatas. And in this Ksherasagar Vihara, Tyagaraja Swami says, Ksherasagar Vihara, he Ksherasagar Sena, Srimanarayana, Aparimita Ghora Pataka Vidara. You can remove all the papas, Ghora papas. Krura Jana Gana Vidura, nobody can stand with the bad qualities. Nobody can stand close to you with the bad qualities. With the bad qualities, nobody can come close to you. Nigama Sanchara. And Swami, you are always, Nigama Sanchara means Veda is the only source to reach you. Sundara Sharira, Shatamakha Hita Vibhanga. ಅದು ಪಾಡ್ಯಾರಮ್ಮ ಆಚರಣ ಪಾಡ್ಯಾರ ಶತಮಖ ಹಿತ ವಿಭಂಗ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಶಮನ ರಿಪು ಸನ್ನುತಾಂಗ. ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಯು ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಟು ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಶಿವ. ಶಮನ ರಿಪು ಸನ್ನುತಾಂಗ, ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೇಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಯುವರ್ ಎನಿಮೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಶ್ರಿತ ಮಾನವಾಂತರಂಗ ಜನಕಜ ಶೃಂಗಾರ ಜಲಜ ಭೃಂಗ. And you are like a honeybee, and Sita's face is like a lotus, and you are a honeybee enjoying the lotus. Sita's face is lotus, and you are a honeybee. Rajadhi Raja Vesha. And Swami, you are Rajadhiraja, Chakravarti, Ramaniya Kara Subhusha, Rajanuta Lalita Bhasha. And you, how Rama speaks, Murdupurva Bhashi, Ramayana, Valmiki Ramayanam says, Rama always talks, anybody, whoever comes, first he smiles and then he talks. Murdupurvantu Bhashate. Without smiling, he doesn't speak to anybody. And also in Ramayana, they say, have you ever seen Rama? No, I didn't see Rama. Chi, your life is waste. At least have you ever seen by Rama? You did not see Rama, at least Rama did not see you, then your life is waste. So that is Rama. Rajanurata Lalita Bhasha Sri Tyagarajadi Bhakta Posha. So, the beautiful qualities of Rama explained in this song by Tyagaraja. And now, let us move to the next song. And Tyagaraja Swami praises the beautiful smiling face of Rama in the next Kriti. song, Tyagaraja says, బోధతో పలుమారు పూజించి నేను ఆరాధింతు. I am not worshipping Rama just blindly. బోధతో, I know what I am doing. పలుమారు పూజించి, I am worshipping Rama again and again. పలుమారు పూజించి నేను ఆరాధింతు. Why? Because నాపాలి శ్రీ నగుమోము గలవాని, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ హిస్ స్మైలింగ్ ఫేస్. నా మనోహరుని, హీ హెస్ క్యాప్టివేటెడ్ మై హార్ట్. ఐ లాస్ట్ మై హార్ట్. జగమేలు శూరుని, అండ్ హీ ఈస్ ద బెస్ట్ valorous person in this world. Janaki Varuni, and he is the lord of my mother Janaki, Sita Devi. Devadi Devuni, and he is the lord of Devatas, Devadeva. Divya Sundarani, Sri Vasudevuni, Sita Raghavuni. I am worshipping Rama because Sujnana Nidhini. He is the repository of knowledge. He is the reservoir of knowledge. Soma Surya Lochanuni, and Surya, sun is one eye and the moon is one eye. Without sun and moon I have no life. Surya and Chandra are his eyes. Soma Surya Lochanani. Ajnana Tamamunu Anachu Bhaskaruni, and he is the sun, removes the ignorance in me. That is why I worship Rama, to remove my ignorance. Nirmala Karuni, Nikhila Aghaharuni. I worship Rama again and again so that he will remove all my papas. Nikhila Agham, Agam means papa. He will remove my papas. And also, I need 4 things in my life. And he is the only one who can bestow all 4. Dharmadi Mokshambu Dayacheyu Ghanuni. He is the only one who can bestow dharma, artha, kama and moksha. That is why బోధతో పలుమారు పూజించి, I worship Rama again and again. నేను ఆరాధింతు. I am worshipping Rama. And here Tyagaraja Swami welcomes all of us to worship Rama to get all these things. That is why we are worshipping Rama here. And Tyagaraja Swami advises us to worship Rama to get all these things, to get knowledge, to get life, to get dharma, artha, kama, moksha, and there is nothing other than these 4 in our life. And now they are going to do Mangala Arati. Pavan, Arati, Swamika Arati, Ramul Varki.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for coming, and it's a blissful evening.